So this is the December TOYL box. Apparently there's one product in here worth £129. Yeah, let's see what they've given me to play with. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. This is the December TOYL box. I've actually had this a few days now. I've been a bit busy, I haven't had a chance to film it, so we're going to do it now. It's arrived on time. Hip hip hooray. Let's get it open. If you are interested in getting this box, I pay £35 a month for this. But for new subscribers the price has gone up unfortunately, and it is £39.99. So this box is aimed for the more mature lady. And yeah, I think it's aimed for like 35, 40 upwards, but guys, you can get this while you're younger. Definitely start looking after your skin when you're young. Don't let you think like, oh, this is a box for the slightly older generation. Don't think that at all. You get really good stuff in here, really good brands. Again, if you are moving house though, if you're going to join, wait until after you've moved, because I had a palaver, but I've got it now at my new address, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we're onto something good. But in the box we get the edit card. It has information on all the products in here, which is fab. And yeah, we're going to be looking at that throughout the video. Back to the edit card. So obviously, as I said, this is the December TOYL box. There is a note here. I'm not going to read all of that because that's quite a lot, if I'm honest. It just says, this collection is a treat just for you during this very special month. I want you to look and feel amazing. I hope that you love the contents. And I've tried to outdo myself with a product worth £129 just on its own. Oh my god. Okay, let's just jump straight in there and dig through. The first product we have is this. So this is by the brand BioEffect, and it's EGF serum. So this is the one with the RRP of £129, and guys, it's 15 mils. Oh my god. It just says, groundbreaking age-defying serum designed to address the visible signs of aging with barley EGF. A skin rejuvenating, moisture binding, signalling protein, the first of its kind to be produced in plants. Its award-winning growth factor serum has been shown to significantly reduce the appearance of lines, fine lines and wrinkles, rejuvenate complex, and increase moisture level with just 2 to 4 drops. £129, wow. I think I've had this before in another beauty box. I can't remember which one. Oh wow, and it was a much smaller size. I think it was like a 5, it was either a 3 or a 5 mil one, and I have used this before. So this is the 15 full size one, 15 mils. Yeah, it's definitely bigger than my other one. I loved using it. It felt gorgeous on the skin because it was only like a 3 or a 5 mil one. I didn't really get to use much of it. So I'm really looking forward to this because I have wrinkles on wrinkles on wrinkles. So I will try anything. This is awesome. There's no way I could pay £129 for that. I couldn't personally justify it. I couldn't. So I'm really glad that I do these beauty boxes to get the products that I can't quite afford to get my hands on, because I can't wait to splash that all over my face. The second item in the box is this. So this is by the brand illamasqua, and it's Beyond Liquid Highlighter. So this has an RRP of £10, and there is 2 mils in here. It just says, this tube is small, but I've never seen a highlighter quite so pigmented. You hardly need any product. An illuminizing liquid highlighter adds a luminosity to your complexion, can be used to enhance the higher points of your face, creating a natural radiant glow or an all-over dewy skin finish. Yes, I have 1 or 2 of these in my collection, I think, that I've used. Really gorgeous, really nice. It goes nice and smoothly on the skin, and yeah, it's just a really nice product to use. If it's open, I'll swatch. If it's not, it's sealed. Yeah, we're gonna leave that sealed, definitely. Does it have a shade colour on here? Oh my god, oh my god. The third product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Emma Hardy, and it's a purifying pink clay detox mask. It has an RRP of £15, and there's 15 mils in here, and it just says this deeply cleansing and purifying clay mask that gently exfoliates, refines the pores, reduces redness and improves the skin's natural moisture levels. Sounds amazing, and love Emma Hardy brand. I've tried a few of her products now. Amazing. So yeah, cool. I don't know if I've tried this one before or if I've received this one before. I don't think so, but yeah, I love a clay mask as it is, and because it's by Emma Hardy, can't wait to get that on my face. The product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Bumble and Bumbled, and it is Heat Shield Thermal Protection Mist. This has an RRP of £6.48, and there is 30 mils in here. It just says this mist protects dry hair against heat tools up to 230 degrees Celsius, helps renew hair damage and prevent breakage. Yeah, cool. I can't wait to try that out to see what it is like. Again, I've used some Bumble and Bumble products and I've been really impressed by them. Really nice, good products, good brand. And then on the back of the card, it says that there's an extra gift here for it as well. So it just says, from me to you, wishing you the most wonderful of Christmases. In this box I include a votive as a gift to you this Christmas. I hope you like it. There are times when you need to relax, and fragrance is perfect for when you need some me time and a cup of tea. And then there's a little leaflet here just apologising about the gift that they've sent. It just says, here's the thing. When Dan was finished making the Black Magic mini candles for us, he wasn't 100% happy with them. And basically what they've done is they put another candle in its stead, because they didn't want to disappoint with something that they weren't happy with, and it's actually bigger and more expensive. So what they were going to give her had an RRP of £5. This one has an RRP of £18 and it is bigger, but this is by the brand Pox, and it's in scent pomegranate, and guys, it's so nice. That smells so good. So here it is. It's in like a white glass, just a nice white candle as well, with a little sticker on. You can either have it facing like this, so there's no sticker, or have the sticker showing. It's entirely up to you. That is going to smell absolutely gorgeous in my room. Yeah, so I can't wait to light that bad boy up. Right guys, so this is the December TOYL box. What do you think? Personally, I think this is a great little box. It has the value of £166, and yeah, wow. Obviously bearing in mind that one product there, it's hard to point in the camera, there is worth £129 just on its own. But yeah guys, I think that is a decent little box. Very small sizes for everything, well, not everything, but these 3 products. But then again, yes, you have to bear in mind we have a £129 product in there. We have this votive candle here, so it's bigger than what they were going to give her, and it's worth more than what they were going to give her. So I think that's really good, and it smells absolutely gorgeous. At least I love the smell of mine in anyway. But yeah, I think this gets a thumbs up from me. I think it's a nice array of products, and here's to hoping we get a good delivery time on my box next month. That'll be the test. But yeah, that concludes this video from me. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.